After a long drought, we're finally getting some rain here in Austin. It's nice. Look at that. There's been some rumbles of thunder. That driveway is getting drenched with rain right now. And our driveway is as well. There we go. Fantastic. Hey, I'm Mark from Highman ZXC. I haven't been doing much updates, but just want to let you know I'm still here. Hope you guys are having a great afternoon. I've just been relaxing and watching people's tier list. I'm sorry my tier lists are not very clear because I don't know how to do screen caps. So I had to put the camera right next to the computer so it's not that clear quality. So just do the best you can trying to see where everything goes. Was that lightning that I just caught? Yeah. This rain has also extended into Louisiana. I just updated my post on Facebook. So really not a lot going on with me. Just been relaxing. Just enjoying the rain.